In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of Todoist so you can find your way around with confidence. If you're brand new, the layout might look busy at first, but everything you need lives in that sidebar on the left, and once you know what each piece does, the whole app suddenly feels simple. Let's start at the very top. Right here is the Add Task button, and this is your fastest way to capture anything that comes to mind from any screen in the app. Just below that is Search, which lets you jump straight to any task or project by typing a few words. Next down is the Inbox. Think of this as your catch-all landing zone. So touch all a button, the place where new tasks live until you decide where they belong. Under that is Today, and this is the view most people live in day to day, showing you everything due right now so you always know what's on your plate. Below Today is Upcoming, which lays your tasks out on a calendar so you can see what's coming over the next days and weeks. Then we have Filters and Labels, a powerful spot for slicing your tasks by context, like errands or work, no matter which project they sit in. Keep going and you'll find Reporting, where Todoist tracks your productivity and shows how much you're getting done over time. And finally, down here is My Projects, where all your separate lists and areas of life are neatly organized. That's the whole map. The sidebar on the left for navigation, the main panel in the middle for your tasks, and the Add Task button always within reach. Spend a day clicking around these views and you'll feel right at home. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.